Programming is changing faster than ever. Today, AI can write code, fix bugs, and suggest entire solutions in seconds. That leads to a question many people are asking. If AI can code, do we still need programmers? Some believe coding is becoming obsolete. Others think AI will completely replace developers. But the reality is very different. AI is not replacing programming. It is changing what programming means. In this video, you'll learn how AI actually works with code, what parts of programming are evolving, and which skills still matter, even as AI becomes more powerful. We'll break down what AI understands about programming, where it still fails, and why human logic remains essential. By the end, you'll see why learning to code is not becoming useless, but why it is becoming different. Watch the full video to understand what's really happening behind the scenes and how programming is evolving in the age of AI. To understand how AI is changing programming, we first need to understand what programming really is. At its core, programming is not about typing code. It is about solving problems. Code is simply the language we use to give instructions to computers. Programming languages exist because computers cannot understand human intent. They require precise, structured commands. For decades, this meant developers had to translate ideas into exact syntax. That process was slow, repetitive, and error-prone. This is where AI enters the picture. Modern AI tools are trained on massive amounts of code. They learn patterns. They learn structure. They learn how certain problems are usually solved. When AI suggests code, it is not reasoning about the problem. It is predicting which solution looks statistically correct based on past examples. This makes AI very good at writing boilerplate code. It can generate templates, repeat common patterns, and autocomplete functions quickly. This increases productivity. But it does not replace understanding. AI does not know why a system exists. It does not understand business goals. It does not grasp edge cases unless they resemble training data. When AI generates code, it assumes the problem is well defined. In real projects, problems are often unclear. Requirements change. Constraints conflict. This is where human programmers remain essential. Humans define the problem. They decide what should happen, not just how. They evaluate trade-offs. They choose architecture. AI can assist, but it cannot take responsibility. Another important point is that programming languages themselves are evolving. Languages increasingly prioritize readability and safety. They reduce complexity. They abstract low-level details. This trend started long before AI. AI simply accelerates it. Instead of memorizing syntax, programmers now focus more on logic and system design. This is not the end of coding. It is a shift in emphasis. Understanding algorithms, data flow, and problem decomposition becomes more important than ever. AI struggles when logic is vague. It struggles when requirements are incomplete. It struggles when creative solutions are needed. This means programmers who understand fundamentals become more valuable, not less. AI also introduces new risks. Generated code can contain subtle bugs. It can repeat insecure patterns. It can appear correct while hiding flaws. Blindly trusting AI output can be dangerous. This makes human review critical. The role of the programmer evolves into a supervisor, designer, and decision-maker. Someone who understands both the problem and the tool. In the future, programming will likely become more accessible. More people will be able to create software with less technical friction. But accessibility does not eliminate expertise. Just as calculators did not eliminate mathematics, AI will not eliminate programming. It changes how work is done. Those who understand how AI works, and how it fails, will have an advantage. Programming is not disappearing. It is adapting. And those who adapt with it will shape how software is built in the years ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to learn more about AI and technology with me. Leave here a comment too, and let me know your opinion about the future of us programmers. Do you believe that AI is a new tool for us to use, or the replacement of our work?